Good morning, children. Now we are going to do chapter 8 in literature. The name of the chapter is The Little Bird, written by Leo Tolstoy. Now Leo Tolstoy is a Russian writer. He has written many books and stories for children also. Now children, you all have seen birds flying in the air and you feel like catching those birds and then keeping them in the cage, and children have this fascination of keeping birds and animals as pets. So in this story there is a boy named Seryoza and he is talking to his mother. Now one day he sees birds flying in the air. So he tells his mother that I also want to keep the bird as a pet. But mother says that no, don't keep the bird and don't catch the bird because they are more free in the air and they like to fly. But the child, he said that no, I will keep it and I will give it food to eat. I will clean the cage. Now see, this is the cage of the bird and you have the bird here. So mother explains the child. She sees that he doesn't keep the bird, but the child is adamant, means that I will keep the bird. One day he brings a cage and he keeps the cage in the open and he puts some seeds to eat. Now after that, what happens that some birds, first the birds are very scared, they don't come near the cage, but one of the birds, a little bird, it comes near the cage and it eats the seed and the bird is caught. Now when the bird is caught, he is very happy. When the mother sees, she says that, oh, this is a siskin. The name of that bird was Siskin. So she says that no, leave the bird, don't trap it. But the boy says that no, I will clean the cage, I will give water to it, I will give food to it and I will look after it. But what happened? After 2-3 days, the boy forgot about the bird. So the mother told him that you have forgotten, you didn't clean the cage and all. So again he said, okay, I am going to clean it, and he opened the cage, and while he was cleaning, he left the cage open. Now the bird Siskin was very happy because now she was free. She came out of the cage and she flew all over the room. But what happened when it went to the window? It flapped there, but it hit her and she fell down in the room and she got hurt. After this, when the boy saw the bird, he caught the bird and he again kept it in the cage. Now as the bird had got hurt, so the bird was not doing anything, it was lying on the flat surface of the cage. Mother again said that don't keep it. Why? Because now it has got hurt and when it came out, let it go. But the boy said no, I will look after it and I will not leave it. And he went, after giving food and water, he went to take dinner. And after that, he also went to sleep. But what happened? As the bird, it had flew all over the room and it got hurt. When the boy got up in the morning, he saw that the bird was lying on the back and was still. Now with this, the boy, he was means in a shock, and this incident proved a milestone in his life, that he said that now I will never trap a bird and keep it in the cage, and I will always let the birds free. So children, this is the story. I will try to find out an animation of the story and send you. You all can read the story and I will send you the exercises also. Thank you.